Hello, and welcome to an update from the Thomas County Health Department. My name is Misty Jemerson, and with me today is Emily Strange, Administrator for the Thomas County Health Department. Today we're going to do a question and answer session asking Emily the questions that you have been asking. So let's get started. Question number one, Emily. What does the stay-at-home order, Executive Order 2016 mean for Thomas County residents?
So what that means is that you should be with your immediate family, and only one person from your family should be going out to do essential activities such as grocery shopping or going to the pharmacy, going to seek medical care. Your children should not be playing with other children. They shouldn't be going on play dates or sleepovers, dinner parties for adults, anything that combines people together is what we're trying to avoid. So try to stay in your home, go out only for essential activities, and with your immediate family. And when you do go out, make sure that you're maintaining the social distancing of 6 feet and also proper hand hygiene.
Okay, thank you. We've also been hearing a little bit lately about a cruise main night. Is that an exception to the Executive Order 20-16?
So according to the Governor's General Counsel, this would be a violation to the stay-home executive order enacted by Governor Kelly on 3/28 of 2020. Individuals in the vehicle are not able to stay 6 feet away from each other, and cruising Maine is not considered an essential activity.
So since we're talking about activity, what's considered an outdoor activity?
So outdoor activities can be a variety of things. They should be performed alone or with a household member. If you do pass other individuals, make sure that you're maintaining that 6 foot distance. And I'll give you a couple of examples. Golfing would be one that would be approved if you're doing it alone or with a family member. Maintaining 6 feet distance from anybody else that might be on the course. Also, no entry into the clubhouse, and make sure that you don't ride in a golf cart with anybody that isn't a household member. An example of something that would not be approved would be a pickup basketball game, because there you're going to have many people that are in close contact, and also they're all touching the ball, which is spreading those germs.
The other questions that we're being asked is we're being contacted about people that are being out of their homes and not adhering to the stay-at-home order. What happens if you're not following the governor's stay-at-home orders? Do you get a ticket or do you go to jail?
So the Executive Council for the governor did say that if you violated the executive order, that would be a Class A misdemeanor, and that would be punishable by 1 year in county jail and a fine of up to $2,500.
Okay. Does local orders trump the governor's orders?
With the executive order for staying home that Governor Kelly put out, it does trump the stay-at-home orders that were already in place. In Thomas County, we didn't have a stay-home order. We had lots of other orders in place, and those are still effective, but the stay-home order, we're following the state guidance on that. Now, that order is in effect until April 19th. Once that one is either reenacted or allowed to expire, then the local order would go into effect for those counties that had those already in place.
Okay. Yesterday, March 31st, the Thomas County Commissioners signed a public health emergency declaration. What is that, and what does that mean for us?
So the emergency declaration was something that emergency management does frequently, maybe during a fire, during a tornado, anything like that. We, as the response team, which would include emergency management, public health, hospital, other health agencies in the community, our health officer, we had made the determination that during our planning that if we had a positive COVID case in Thomas County or a surrounding county, then that would be the time that we would declare the emergency declaration that's signed by the county commission. Because Gove County does now have a positive case, that is why we got the emergency declaration. It will allow us to have better federal funding and also open doors for some state funding as well.
Great, great. What is the best way to get the most up-to-date factual information for all Thomas County residents?
I would recommend going to kdheks.gov/coronavirus. That's going to give the most up-to-date information regarding coronavirus in Kansas. If you're wanting to look at something national, I would recommend cdc.gov/coronavirus.
Okay. Last question for you. Any final comments would you have to the people of Thomas County?
I can't emphasize enough how important it is to take responsibility and stay home. You can go out for those essential activities, limit that time that you're doing that. Try to, if you have to pick up something at the pharmacy and go to the grocery store, try to do those at the same time. If you do have to be out, maintain that social distancing, good hand washing, proper respiratory etiquette. It's going to take all of us to decrease the movement of this virus, and so please stay home and follow the order.
Well, Emily, thank you for your time, and I want to say thank you to all of you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call at 785-460-4596. Thank you.